This NGO, which has been working with the Margao Municipal Council, is not a registered society. As per the 2001 rules, again, it clearly mandates that the animal welfare organization has to be a registered society. It cannot be a trust or anything, and that society has to be again recognized by the Animal Welfare Board of India. This recognition is also not there. If you go to these bills, if you take any bill for any amount, the names of the dog cages are there on these bills. But where the place for signature, all the signatures are blank. So that the trust is, and the agreement also has been signed by Mr. Vijay Sardesai, he is the MLA of Fatorda constituency. And the minutes of the meeting which has been submitted to the municipality also suggest that he is the president. And the wife and the husband of the chairperson, Mr. Dilip Prabhudesai, is the secretary. And that is why I smell a red there. I hope the Margao Municipal Council takes cognizance of this complaint. The fact that now it has been filed before the Directorate of Vigilance.
आमदार विजय सरदेसाय राजीव गोमसांच्या आरोपांचेर चाळवलो. राजीव गोम्स वेचणूक लागीं पावल्या म्हूण आपले नांव बदनाम करता म्हूण विजय उलयलो.
सगळ्या गोंयचो जेन्ना जो रिपोर्ट आयलो तातूंत मडगांव NGO आमचे परफॉर्मन्स वॉज नंबर 1. आमी नॉट ओनली मडगांव फातोर्डा, ऑल ओवर सालसेत आमी 8000 स्टेरिलायझेशन्स केल्ले इन 4 months. सो इन 2014 मिशन रेबीज प्रोग्राम South Goa Welfare Trust was number 1 as per Mission Rabies report.
I mean, he is concerned about the state of Margao. He is a very concerned citizen of Margao to take up this work himself. He can start from tomorrow taking care of the animal birth control program for the municipality, and we are ready to step aside because we have no personal interest in all this. We are doing this for the sake of the city.
Cases on this. That too for something where we are contributing our own money. आता हे ताणे चड काय बरोवंक नासा पूण ती विजिलन्स केस मरे इट इज अ केस ऑफ डिफ्रॉडिंग द गव्हर्नमेंट एक्सचेकर. सो कोण एक्सचेकराक डिफ्रॉड करता आनी कित्याक आहा तातूंत मॅटर? आतां इलेक्शना लागीं आयल्या जाय ते स्टेटमेंट काडप बरें. इफ राजीव गोम्स हॅज सम डिसन्सी आमकां फोन करून विचार मरे. सो माय पॉयंट इज मार्चचे पयलीं फार मातसो विचार करचो खंयच्या इश्यूचेर मारता तो. डोंट बी अ पब्लिसिटी हाऊंड अँड जस्ट हिट ऑन एनी इश्यू, नॉट एटलीस्ट दिस. This is a serious issue. Stray dog menace म्हणटा तो इज अ सिरियस मॅटर. आनी कोणाकूय जर चाबलो आनी ते मनशाचें लास्ट जेन्ना मरण जाता न्ही ते पळोवपाचें नासता. सादो इश्यू न्ही तो. एड्स आनी कॅन्सर परवडलो पूण ते न्ही.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.